Yeah, honey. Yeah. Yeah, I asked you to send the $2,000. You didn't send it again? You didn't send the money again? What are you saying? You don't have $2,000? You mean you have just $1 to send to me?
It is smoke Igbo.
$1?
It is take Indian.
Okay. Send the $1. Okay. Send the $1. Yeah, send the $1. No, the hen crow. No, it's not here. I'm in the sheep. I told you I'm in the sheep. No, it can't be the fowl. It can't be the hen.
Continue.
I'm in the sheep. Yes, I'm in the sheep.
70 years old man.
No, I'm not a Nigerian. I'm not a Ghanaian. I'm a US man.
Will you keep quiet?
From Ohio. No. It's not.
You are a failure.
You will not send the money again because of the hen. Because of the hen, you will not send it. She don't cut. She blocked me.
Child.
It's okay.
So now this idiot fowl now make this woman not be send me $1. Come block me, John. If I not shop you, I might die.
No traces. You don't care.
What do you do this for? Now, see for now you carry so.
Which sheep? You know what this fowl do?
Shoe.
Fowl will boss my $1 work. $1. This fowl go crew.
Because of $1.
Now in my village people enter, I go shop my village people too.
Shoe. You mean I'm?
And my village people I want shop too.